Hello, my name is Kunal Mukarkar.
My name is Ayush Sagar.
This is our project. It is our prototype model which we made for door alarm system. In this project, when a person come in front of our house, it detects and start beeping sound like this. When a person come in contact, it beeps. In this project, we uses components that is ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno, one buzzer, then jumping wires, two batteries, etc. We made this prototype by using sunboard sheet, and by using this, we demonstrate that we can also use it in large scale. That we also use in our house for alert system.
We have used the Arduino in this project. The Arduino is connected with the ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is connected with the buzzer. When someone stands in front of the ultrasonic sensor, it beeps. When it's removed, it gets stopped.
And this is our project. We also made poster presentation for it. In this, it consists Arduino Uno, then ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, then it's working means that the ultrasonic sensor detects the distance to the loop or an object in its parts. When the distance falls below, then indicating as door is open or movement detected, the Arduino Uno triggers and the buzzer gets and the buzzer sound. This project is guided by Mr. Pachanjikar sir. He is our project guide. Thank you.